This is Bernie's idea of me being secluded. No, don't even take your garbage out, Bernie. So I just, have garbage up in my living space here, and it's... Did you hear that? Damn kids. Happy Halloween! Holla. Someone's car alarm's going off, mate. It's that Robert Page's Volkswagen. It's 1:55 in the morning. I can't afford anything nice, Bernie. It's Bernie's idea. Shit, mate. Is that my car? Yeah, we did hit that neighbour's car with the giant squash. Is that my Volkswagen? That's my bloody car, mate. It's my car. Jesus.